Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, there goes our excitement down the drain. So remember we had a reality TV show or some slash angazi ukuthi siyibizani, right? Isizokuthola, right? And uXolani's case got dismissed and we were also excited because uXolani Khumalo was greatly doing a great job indeed. But ke amaphoyisa will not let this boy rest him. They are refusing. The people that are selling drugs will continue to sell drugs. Whatever it takes, whether it means ukuthi Tina, we complain, Tina, we do what, bona, they do not care. All they want is for them drugs to keep on being sold and for Xolani to sit down and stop chasing abotsotsi. Basically, in not so many words. No, so okay, fine. Na indaba ithini? Reported by MDN News. MDN News says, SAPS has allegedly shut down Sizokuthola host Xolani Khumalo's request for police escorts during the film of his anti-drug show. Now, the reason why they are refusing, they are looking for a loophole to get uXolani so that they can continue to getting imali underground the way they used to get. MDN continues to say the move has sparked public outrage, with many questioning why law enforcement would block someone actively working to expose crime, despite their repeated calls for community involvement. They are not blocking. This person is taking out their bread, so they will do whatever it takes to make sure they continue to eat. And I'm not the only one, because Uncle Keys says they don't want to expose their involvement. That's the thing. And when Awendlovu says corruption pays politicians, best way to record each and every scene for trial times. So now at this point they're just covering their backs. Mina, I'm not happy. I wanted Xolani to be back and to work with the police so that every mgulukutu can get behind bars. But hey, we're living in a South Africa of democracy, and then this is the democracy that is looking at us. Yeah, tell me what you think about this whole thing. Please do like, share and subscribe. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.